How to delete an account in Facebook Business Manager. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can delete the Facebook Business Manager in your how you can delete the ad account in your Facebook Business Manager. For that, you have to follow this simple step. So on your PC, you have to open up one of the browser here, and you have to select your account. And after that, here you have to just go for the new tab. Once you are on your new tab, you have to expand your page and go for the Facebook Business Messenger Manager here, not Messenger, Manager. Just go for the Facebook Business Manager. And the tab is loading here. The tab hasn't successfully loaded here. After that, you will find this link. You have to simply click on that link to open up the page. So you have to click on that link. Once you are here, once you are on this page, you have to tap on the Get Started option. So here you can see that the page has been loading here. So you have to log into your Meta business site here. So you have to successfully log into your account with your password and email here. And they are processing the request. So here you can see that you will be navigated to your ad page here. So after that, you have to click on the ad here. So you have to just go for your ad here. Once you have click on the ad option, so once you have clicked your ad, you will be here on this page and go for the ad manager here. You have to just click on the ad manager here, and after that you will be loading your ad account here. So they are processing the request. Wait until the request has been successfully submitted. So they are launching the ad manager here. So once you are here, you have to click on the ad manager option and go for the account overview. So you have to click on the ad manager and go for the account overview here. So the page has been loading. So it depends on your internet connection here also. So they are loading your ad account. Just wait. So after that, you have to navigate here and go for the setting icon and tap on the setting icon. Once you are on your setting icon, here you will see the deactivate ad account. So you have to just click on the deactivate ad account and just go for the other option, or you can go and just deactivate your ad account here. So with the help of this simple step, you can easily deactivate your ad Facebook Messenger. So with the help of this simple step, you can easily deactivate your ad account in your Facebook Business Manager. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.